Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the resources, the first chapter of geography from class 8. So dear student, let's discuss. So first of all, you think about the term resources. The Hindi meaning of resources is संसाधन. So first of all, we see the definition of resources. Everything available in our environment, but that can be used to satisfy the human needs is called the resources. Just think, chalk I used to write on the blackboard. So this is a resource. I use blackboard to write on it. So this is a resource. Why? Chalk and blackboard both are satisfy my needs. So both are resource. So you think what are the things that used by you and that thing satisfy your needs. So these things are referred as a resource. So बच्चों, पर्यावरण में सब कुछ उपलब्ध है, लेकिन जो चीज़ें हमारे आवश्यकता को पूरा करते हैं, जो वस्तु या जो पदार्थ या जो चीज़ें हमारे आवश्यकता को या हमारी ज़रूरतों को पूरा करते हैं, हम उसे संसाधन कहते हैं. इसलिए संसाधन हमारे लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है. After definition, we see what are the characteristics of resource. What are the characteristics of resource? There are so many characteristics like utility, functionality, accessibility, demand, values, eco-friendly, and that's on. But in class 8, mainly we discuss about two main characteristics. First is utility and another is value. So let's start. Utility. Utility means a things that used by you, either used by me, either us. So when a things is used by someone, so this thing refer as a resource. So I use chalk to write on the blackboard. Now I give you example. So this chalk is a resource because this chalk is used by me to write on a blackboard. So this chalk is referred as a resource. So as you think, now you open your book to read and gain the knowledge. So you utilize the book to acquire the knowledge. So this book is a resource for you. And this utilization make a substance a resource. यूटिलाइजेशन का मतलब है किसी वस्तु या पदार्थ या आपके द्वारा या हमारे द्वारा या किसी के द्वारा उपयोग में आना. जब भी कोई वस्तु का हम उपयोग करते हैं तब उसे संसाधन के रूप में आ जाते हैं. एक उपयुक्त जो है एक वस्तु को संसाधन बनाते हैं. नेक्स्ट मूव टू द सेकेंड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ रिसोर्स इज वैल्यू. वैल्यू मीन्स वर्थ, मतलब जिसका मूल्य है, आर्थिक मूल्य है. बट सम रिसोर्स हैव इकोनॉमिकल वैल्यू एंड सम रिसोर्स हैव डज नॉट एनी इकोनॉमिकल वैल्यू. जस्ट थिंक minerals, either metal, have greater economical value, but a beautiful landscape have no economical value, but both are satisfying the human needs, either satisfy the human beings. That's why both are referred as a resource. कोई वस्तु या पदार्थ उसे संसाधन होने के लिए उसका मूल्य होना जरूरी है. ठीक है, उसका आर्थिक मूल्य है या नहीं है, लेकिन वो फिर भी हमारी आवश्यकता को पूरा करते हैं, हमें सेटिस्फाई करते हैं. इसलिए हम उस वस्तु या पदार्थ को संसाधन कहेंगे। ओके, सो we start next topic is some factors are influence to produce the resources. So in this chapter mention only time and technology, but also nature and technology and institution helps to create the resources. But now we discuss only time and technology. Time and technology both are make a substance resources. We collect the things from the nature. Already I telling you everything are available in our environment. Okay, so that any things, either any substance are collect from the nature and we process it through the technology and make it usable things according to our needs. So technology helps to produce the resources, either helps to change the form of natural substance into a resources. So both time and technology are helps to form the resources. So let's discuss about the classification of resource. Resource mainly classified into a three broad categories. First is natural resources. Second is human made resources, and third last is human resources. So let's discuss about the natural resources and its classification. So think those resources are we obtain from the nature. Those resources are we obtain from the nature. These are refer the natural resources. जो संसाधन हमें पर्यावरण से प्राप्त होता है उसी को प्राकृतिक संसाधन कहते हैं। ओके, natural resources we use without much modification. We think it is a free gift of nature, but it's not so easy. Your think is wrong. If we give not time to regenerate at the renewed, so it will be end. So natural resource are those resources are we are obtained from the nature and use without much modification. So let's see the classification of natural resources. So first of all, just see on the basis of level of development. On the basis of level of development, resource generally classified into a two categories. In higher class, you will learn four categories. One is actual, second is potential, third is stock, and fourth is reserve. But in class 8, we only learned two categories: actual resource and potential resource. Actual resource, also known as developed resource. So what is actual resource? Actual resource are those resources we already known about the quality and quantity of this resource. We already known the quality and quantity of this resource, and its utilization has been started. So these resources are referred as a developed either actual resource. So large amount of coal deposit in Ruhr region of Germany is an example of actual either developed resource. So its development depends on the feasibility of technology. So next, see what is potential resource. Potential resource are those resources we don't know about the quality and quantity of this resource, and its utilization has not been started yet. So this resource are referred as a potential resource. As example, uranium deposit in Ladakh region. So we don't know its quality and quantity, and its utilization has not been started because we can't collect it due to the lack of the technology. So these resources are referred as a potential resource. So dear student, furthermore, on the basis of origin, resource classified into two categories. One is biotic and another is abiotic. Those resources are we obtain from the living things. These are referred the biotic resource. That's like a plant, animal, and the wildlife, the microorganism. These are referred as a biotic resources. And some resources are we obtain from the non-living things. These are referred as the abiotic resources. When we get from the living things, it's known as biotic resource. When we get from the non-living things, so it's known the abiotic resource. Abiotics are land, soil, air, sunlight, minerals like coal, petroleum, iron ore, bauxite, aluminium. These are the example of the abiotic resource because they have no life form. But biotic resource are we obtain from the living things. That's mean they have life form.